In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Booking.com promo codes. So let's get started. So Booking.com is an online website where you can book hotels, cars, and etc. and houses. So now you might be wondering how you can get a discount while purchasing from this website or renting from this website. Well, you're gonna go to Google and search up Booking.com promo code. So once that is done, you're gonna go down until you see this website, bonecard.ae. So I'm gonna click on the website now. So once I'm here, you'll see many codes. So the first one is pay 10% less for your stay with this code. So you can click on it and now you're gonna get a 10% discount. So I'm gonna click on it. And this is the code. So you can copy the code and you can click on go to the store, which is gonna redirect you to the website. And once you find the thing you want, you can use this at checkout and you can get the 10% discount. There are many other codes here. So for example, you want 30% off on your booking, you can click on this and use this code Google Nest to get a 30% discount while you're booking. And then you can also explore other codes. So for example, um, up to 10% off selected hostels. I'm gonna click on it. So now this is an offer which is ongoing on the website right now. So you won't need any code here. You can just directly go on the website. You can see those hostels and it will be written there that you get 10% off when you're using this hostel and etc. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.